Chasing the highs, girl, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finally get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hey gorgeous people, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a huge H&M haul I'm gonna share with you. Basically, I want to manifest spring summer with this haul. Even though I'm wearing a jumper, even though it's very cold, we're manifesting spring summer vibes. I've got my little sun earrings in, but we're manifesting those vibes, guys. So a huge H&M haul. We love H&M, we love the bits in there, so lovely, giving me all the vibes, but the weather isn't cooperating with the vibes. So I'm going to show you the goods. So if you're excited, please smash it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, hi, my name is Fiona, so lovely that you're joining us now. I upload every single Sunday with lifestyle, vlogs, hauls and a bit of positivity in the mix there. I hope you're all having a lovely day, and let's get straight on into this H&M haul. So first of all, we have the bag. The bag is a large. We love a large H&M bag. And the first item I thought I'd start off with is the boyfriends in the back, because why not? We have this lovely top that I saw for Shane. I took a picture of it, I sent it to him, I was like, oh, do you like this? It looks really, really nice. And he said it was really, really nice, and the texture of this material is lovely. So came home with the haul yesterday, tried it on, and he really likes this top. I love the button details, I love the collar, and the actual bottom of the top has this lovely like deep rib band on the bottom, so it's a very versatile winter top or a summer top, so I like it. I like it a lot on Shane. So it's $24.99, a really, really nice top for the boyfriends in the back. Really nice and like stretchy material. It's just lovely, it's just a lovely material. It's like, can you see that? So it's got this texture to it, so I really, really like it. Shane loves it. It's in a size medium. And yes, a lovely beige colour. Spring, summer, wear it with shorts. Winter, wear it with jeans and a jacket. Really, really nice, I love the colour of it. Next up, I've put this one on a hanger just so it's a little bit more easier to show, but it's this gorgeous lace bodysuit. It literally has this lovely little flower lacing to it, and it has lace detail on the bodice here, and it has this bralette effect to it, which I'm absolutely in love with. It's a thong bodysuit, some more detailing down the back. I don't know if you can see it that well because it's very bright, but I got it in a size medium and it was £12.99. I think this would be so beautiful with some ripped mom jeans, a blazer, red lip, or just like a gloss. Summer, if you're just going to wear it as a bodysuit and some jeans by itself with a little belt. Really beautiful. I love this piece. I just think it's very versatile. I hope it looks really nice on, because I'm a little bit nervous about these cups, and depending on your size up here, I don't know how well it will look, so I'm going to see how that looks on. Now trying on the white bodysuit, which is the piece where I'm like, am I going to love it or not? So I do like it in the sense of the cups and the lines down the side. I quite like the straps, but it has this like little extra material here. I've styled it like very Grease vibes. I feel like it gives you a nice first impression when you see it on the hanger, but when you actually wear it, it's given me, you're not really going to wear it that much. So that's my opinions on the white bodysuit. I do like it, but it won't be staying with me. So next up, I have this gorgeous shirt. It's a Crinkle shirt, and I got it in a size medium. It was $19.99. It has gorgeous buttons, collar, sleeves with button details, and I love the crinkle effect on it. I think this, if it had a two-piece, like the bottom half, I'd be absolutely obsessed, because you tuck it in to the bottom half of the trousers, but easily you can pair it over the top of shorts. Same with the jeans, with the bodysuit, but I am absolutely in love with this crinkle. I just love anything crinkle. It just reminds me of summer, and that's the back. Can't wait to pair this up with a gorgeous set. And yeah, $19.99, so bet you I'm going to be on the lookout if there's a bottom to match this, because it's so gorgeous. It comes in like a zebra print, no, it's a palm tree print, and it also comes in another colour. I think it might be black, but it's so beautiful. It was $19.99 and I got it in a medium to throw over any nice spring outfits that I have planned coming up. Trying on the Crinkle shirt now, which I absolutely love. I love the crinkle on it, I love the colour. I'm so glad I went for a medium because I was debating between the small and the medium, but they're both nicely oversized. I love it so much. My number one tip for crinkle shirts is wow, because when you're putting them in the wash, they come out even more crinkly. I've got you. Crease release spray gets it back to how it's meant to be crinkled. But yeah, I really love this shirt. Shirt like throw over, it's really nice. Highly recommend it. I'm in love with it. Such a nice piece for like a sunny day like today. It's actually gorgeous today. I love it. I'm going to go for a nice walk, I think, after this because it's such a lovely, beautiful day. Really love the crinkle shirt. This piece as well will be so lovely for a beach cover up because it is very long. Like, I'm so glad I went for this size, but it's so long, like it goes to the back of my knees. So I'd highly recommend going like for an oversized feel, but if you wanted to keep it true to size, then they're oversized already. But yeah, I'm so glad I went oversized because I love it. I love the shade, I love the item. The next piece is actually the white bodysuit twin. They came in at the same time and these came in on Tuesday. So I got these pretty quickly because they come in store quite quickly compared to online. So this is a bodysuit in a size medium. It's $9.99. I don't know why the label's slightly off the middle there, but it has this gorgeous texture to it. It kind of reminds me of a swimsuit. So it's giving me swimsuit vibes. I literally said to one of my friends at work, I said, it's giving me swimsuit vibes so you can wear it with shorts and pretend it's a swimsuit and have that crinkle shirt over the top. So I really, really like it. It's again another thong bodysuit. I love that. So you can pair that again, same outfit, mom jeans, crinkle shirt over the top, really lovely, or just shorts. I'm thinking so much spring. You can easily layer it in any way that you want with a jacket, if it's a little bit breezy. But I really like this sort of swimsuit material and I'm really hoping these look really nice on. I like the deep V as well, and the material sort of slinky on the inside. And this was only $9.99 compared to the other one, but I think it's because of the bodice effect. But I really, really love it. Love the back. No VPL. And yeah, another gorgeous bodysuit. So the bodysuit now, try on. If you told me I was going to keep this Sunday, so the Sunday that would have gone last Sunday to you guys, I'd have been like, no, I'm sending it back because I put it on with a bra. Now I've tried it on without a bra, 100% keeping it. I love it because it was giving me that sort of like under the arm pushing out effect, and it wasn't it. Because it is quite high, I would 100% recommend wearing this without a bra, or if you are going to wear it with a bra, go non-wired because it is quite like a pushy uppy bodysuit. It's lovely, and I love the fact that it has like this swimsuit material. Love it. It's so gorgeous. I am just obsessed with it now, but like I said, if you told me on Sunday, I'd be like, nah, I'm not keeping it. But I absolutely love it. I've just paired it with the crinkle shirt and some mom jeans. I could totally see you wearing this with shorts as like a swimsuit as well. I really like it, absolutely obsessed with it now. I love it with this crinkle shirt. I love the scoop neck, and it has a low back as well. So, don't know if you can see the low back on it. But yeah, I really, really love it. So beautiful. Such a lovely bodysuit. 10 out of 10 now. But it's just so funny if you told me on Sunday, I'd be like, no, I'm not keeping it. Okay, so let's do a trouser because we've had quite a few tops in a row. So I picked up these gorgeous suit trousers. They give them that smart vibe. They're a beige. They have this sort of ruched back, but the zip and the two little joiners, the ones sort of like slip in like that. So, and a button as well. I got them in a size 12. They were $24.99 and they're just this really, really nice smart trouser. But the only thing is, I'm scared they're going to be a little bit too long on me. I'm only 5'3". Pockets in the back, but I'm hoping they'd look nice. and I've got a top to go with them. But these are the trousers, just to give you an up close of the trouser, and I'll show you them on as well. So now for the trousers. This is the piece where it did make me feel very self-conscious, right? Because I don't like the way it's on my tummy at all. I feel like I need to tense up my stomach because it's just not making me feel some type of way. However, I love my body, I love me, I know where I'm going, I know my goals. But I don't like the way it's making me feel like here. And this is completely normal, like finding clothes that make you feel good. That's what I'm all about, and these don't make me feel too great. I feel like I like the fit on them, but I don't at the same time because I don't like this line here. On the other hand, it does have pockets. The pockets are nice. I feel like if the pockets were a little bit looser, it wouldn't be that bad, but you can actually see the pocket line as well, like not about that. But I do like the back. The back's got like this little scrunch at the back. I quite like them. I like the colour, I like the length. The length is quite long. Actually, that's actually not a great thing, just thinking about it, because I'm 5'3". It's a little bit longer than my heel, so you would have to elevate yourself with these trousers. I would be able to show you, but I'm waiting for update. I've got a new mirror, a full length mirror, but it's a really, really nice mirror. It's very long, it's black, it's oval. I didn't get it from William Wood Mirrors. I got it from, I can't remember where I got it from, but I'll share that when it comes. But it's not coming until March. So a long wait for that mirror. But yeah, on these trousers, I'm not a massive fan. I will send them back because yeah, it's just not making me feel good. And then this is the top that I was thinking to go with the trousers. This is such a spring summer vibe. It's got that cross front. It has a gorgeous sort of like dip to the back, so you're tucked in at the front just like you tuck in a top, 2 pockets, collar, 3/4 length sleeve, and it's this gorgeous linen material. So it was in, I got this in a size small and it was £18.99. I just love that. It's giving me sort of a cargo vibe with the trouser underneath. This is the vibe that I was going for. Can't really see. This is the vibe that I was going for. I hope that works out, but equally you can wear this over top of your bikini if you're on holiday. The trousers, I'm going to be hunting for the trousers that match this as well, but I really love this piece. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. £18.99, and I got it in a size small just because it looked a little bit oversized. I really love the linen material of this. My favourite material around summer, but it is absolutely dire to iron, so crease release all day on that. So first of all, this top, I have had to tuck it into my bra. I feel like the watch is totally ruining the vibe, but just ignore that. I've got like patchy tan underneath it. But yeah, I really like the top. The pockets are lovely. Put your little bits and bobs in there like your hair grips, and I like the fact that it has a zip on the side, so when you're getting into the top, it helps you not get any makeup stains on it or anything like that. I like the sleeve length as well. It looks really cute. The collar's lovely. And yeah, it is showing off my bra a bit, so sorry about that. But it's meant to be a lot more baggier. So I would wear it in the summer with like a bikini underneath it, or a crop top, or a little bralette. That would be really nice. So I've just tucked it in for now. But it is a beautiful piece. This is what the back is. I love it. I like the fact that it's not sheer. It's a really nice linen. I love the plunge detail. I love the collar. I love the collar, how it's just so strong, so it keeps that shape. So yeah, I love this piece. Love it. So yeah, I really like it. It's a very summery piece. So I actually picked up a few more bits apart from what I've shown you the other day. First of all, these shorts. How cute are these shorts? Not spring summer, but aren't they the cutest? And you never guess what? £5. These were £5. Super cute. I wish there was a matching top. I'm going to be stalking on there. There's a matching top to go with these. £5. I got them in a size medium, and they're drawstring as well, so you can actually pull them in. Super cute. I mean, you can wear these in the spring summer because they're actually shorts and they're the cutest material ever. Love with them. So next up, I actually got a bodysuit that I actually already have, but it like sort of broke in the middle. So it's this bodysuit. It's a thong bodysuit. Love these. They are $9.99, medium, absolutely obsessed. Like I said, I love bodysuits like this, but mine, I was doing that stupid thing where I was pulling it down like this instead of just taking it off above, and I ripped the middle. So devastated about that. So I got a new one because they're still in stock. I'd highly recommend going picking these up because I've got it in black and white. I don't know if there's any other colours. I know they've got a square neck in the same material. I've got that in white, but they've also got it in green, like a really, really nice, like a lime green. So beautiful. $9.99, absolute steal. I love them. 100% recommend go and grab them because I'm absolutely obsessed with these bodysuits. And then the last thing, I picked up some slippers. I picked up some new slippers. These are so gorgeous. Beige. I'm a beige queen. They were £12, no, oh, £14.99. Size 5 I went for. I feel like though, this slipper fits better than this slipper. So maybe size up, because I don't know why this one doesn't fit as well as this one. It's a little bit strange. They're the same size. Definitely both says 38 on it, but maybe I just need to like stretch them out. But I got these because they were a little bit more flatter, because the other ones I have are really high. So I don't know why they're really high, but I really like these beige pair. Super cute, giving me spa vibes. I mean, you can't have too many slippers, am I right? Because you need to like throw them out and get a new pair or put them in the wash. But I don't know, does anyone wash their slippers? Going off on a tangent, but love them. £14.99, super fluffy. I'm in love. Those are the few extra bits that I picked up, which I'm also obsessed with, as well as most of the bits from this haul. So that is everything that I picked up in store at H&M. Definitely have a little mooch to your local one, but I am definitely browsing online for more spring summer stock. I'm excited for the dresses, the sun hats, ooh, the shoes, the little sandals. They do really good sandals, the bags. Yes, I'm here for it. So go have a little mooch in your local H&M. I hope you enjoy seeing what I got in this haul. I'll link everything down below for you as well if you fancy anything. And I'm excited for more spring content to come. If you're new, subscribe. I upload every Sunday. I all hope you have a lovely rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it.